Hi guys and welcome back to Code Inc. And today we are going to be with Google Gemini cooking weird weird food ingredients. Yeah, this is pretty weird. We have a few worms here and there, but there are also common ingredients, including feastables. Feastables is good. I like milk crunch. So let's just get started. So how this will work is we use six ingredients from this list over here, and Gemini will select those few ingredients to pick, and then it'll decide to cook that dish, and then we'll use those ingredients, give you step by step, and also it will also generate an image I'll ask it to, because we want to prove today that whether it can cook recipes like it always says in ads. Same thing. So yeah, let's just get started. But first, we'll have to give it this list. Same thing. Okay, so now we've got these ingredients, and we're back in Google Gemini. I mean, not back in Google Gemini. We were never in Google Gemini, but now we're in Google Gemini. So let's just hit enter, and let's see what it'll come up with. Mealworm and wild plant fritters with duck meat. Okay, so these are the ingredients. All right, let's see if it's six. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it failed the test. It added two more. Let's just tell it only use the ingredients. Is that how you spell it? I think so. Listed. I know it says he, so we're gonna fix that here. Always the common spelling mistake. There you go. A wild and wacky game of feast. Alright. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's good, Gemini. So then we have pigeon meat, duck meat, chicken meat, ostrich meat, snake minnows. Okay, well, make sure you disinfect the snake because it might have like venom in it. And don't try this in real life. I won't actually eat it. I'm just like testing its maximum ability, so it's fine. Large pot. Okay. Cutting board, knife, skewers. What are skewers? I think
Bruh.
they are those sticks, right? So then instructions: prep the meat. Okay, clean and cut the pigeon into bite-sized pieces. Okay, that's correct. Clean them, yeah, you need to clean them because I think they're in small streams, and I don't think we have them here in Singapore, but I think they have it in the US or something. Create a flavorful broth. Okay, large pot. Combine the pigeon, duck, chicken. Yup. Okay, with wheat. Was wheat listed? Nope, so that part is failed, but okay, fine, and a pinch of salt, okay? And then bring to a boil, reduce heat and simmer until the meats are tender. Okay, strain the broth, okay. Then what are you gonna do with the snake? Over here, thread the ostrich snake and minnows onto the skewers, alternating between the three. Okay, so what are we doing here? Grill them, okay, that's true. Then serve it. Okay, so I think it's a bit like a hot pot where you like put like stuff inside it. I'm not too sure how this works. A flavorful broth. Okay. Uh, all right. Add some toasted grasshoppers or mealworms. Okay. Serve a side with wild plants or a simple salad. Okay, fine. Wild game is sourced responsibly. Game means meat, I think. Okay, yeah, that's true. You must always ensure that it's sourced properly. Handling raw meat, especially. Okay, yeah, good hygiene. That's true. Okay, and if you heard that thing, it's like one of my friends texting me. That's fine. Don't need to worry about that. So then maybe let's ask it to generate an image of the meal. Okay, so now creating my image with Imagen 3. Yay, they finally upgraded from Imagen 2. And Android 15 has also been released, I heard. So it looks something like this. Okay, it looks good. It looks good. So let's just add it to our collection and let's go with the next meal. So let's just copy that text from above. Or maybe it's the same. Create another recipe recipe with another one of another of those six ingredients ingredients from the list above. Yeah, so it should be like that. Let's try that out. Sorry. Uh, creating my no. No. Okay, yeah, that's good. Oh, that's nice. It already created it for us, so that's really smart, Gemini. Good thinking. Another recipe: grill ostrich and snake skewers with minnow salsa. Okay. 1 pound of ostrich meat. Okay. 1 inch cubes. All right. Okay. Let's check with 6 ingredients. Ooh, looks like more than six. So, but okay. Okay. So this is a nice dish. Okay, it looks good. I'm not too sure what they're made out of, but let's see. Make the salsa. Uh-huh. Okay, mix all set aside. Thread the meat. Okay. Grill the skewers. But why is it always skewers? I'm not too sure. Mineral salsa. Okay. You can't use any type of snake meat. Okay. Don't have minnows. We told you that we do have minnows. So okay. Such as sardines and anchovies. Yeah, sardines are good. Anchovies are good. The dish is best served with a side of rice or tortillas. What are tortillas? I think I don't know. I don't know. They are enjoy. Okay. All right. Healthy and delicious way. Okay, that's great. Now let's just do the last recipe and add this one to our collection. So if we check our ingredients again, we have so we used meals. No, we didn't use meals. I'm pretty sure we did use water. We used chicken meat, duck meat, chicken meat. Did we use wheat? I don't think we used wheat. Okay. We did use ostrich meat and we used minnows and snakes. Okay, that's nice. Let's try another one of these ingredients. Let's go back to dogs. No, I mean not dogs. Back to Gemini. Um, how about try another six ingredient um from the list I gave you. I short you at first. Um, yeah, so let's just use another six ingredients from the list I gave it at first to create yeah another dish. Okay, let's see. So it's loading. Okay. Okay, wild plant and cactus salad with mealworm croutons. Well, croutons, I'm not too sure, but we'll find out. I want chopped wild plants, cactus, toasted mealworms. Okay. Some people eat insects. I know, and chopped onion. Did we list onion? We did not list onion, chopped tomato, olive oil. But at this point, it's fine. Use other ingredients, salt and pepper to taste. Okay. All right. Toast the mealworms. Okay. Set aside. Combine the salad ingredients. Go on. Serve. Okay. And chopped wild plants. Okay. Enjoy. And it looks like that. Okay. I mean, I've seen stuff that look like that before, but I don't think that's really appetizing. But now, for the last portion, we'll use every single ingredient in our list. So use all of the below. Where's the B? There it is. Ingredients to create a dish. There you go. Okay. So first, create image. Okay. Oh, the wild and wacky. Okay, interesting idea. I'm not too sure why I look like that, but okay. Ingredients. Yep, every single thing I listed up. Okay. All right. Cut all the meats as usual. Clean the minnows and earthworms. Toast the mealworms. Okay. Blah blah blah. Skillet. Just skillet. I'm not too sure. In a large pot, combine all of them. Yep, as usual, and bring to a boil. Okay. Boil it up. All right, until it's tender. Okay. Strain the broth. Preserving the meat. Okay, so you want to take all the water away. Okay, prepare the skewers. Every single time skewers. Okay, fine. Thread the ostrich snake minnows onto the skewers like we usually do. Thread the earthworms onto separate skewers. Okay, true. Grill the skewers. Okay, and serve. All right, we didn't put beds. There's some bed or dog food. I'm not too sure whether we want dog food inside, but okay, so a bed as well. Serve with a side of wild plants or cactus. Yep, save it safely. Okay, I'm not eating it. Okay, yeah. So thanks, Gemini. Nice image, and then to view our final collection at the end. But I don't think this is a realistic image of what it looks like. But okay, fine, good try. Let's make it generate another image. So generate an image of the dish. So now we'll have to wait for Imagen 3 to generate. Is it? Yeah, okay. That's good. Let's waiting. Okay. And there you go. Okay. It looks the same. I'm not too sure if it actually looks like that. But okay, thanks, Gemini. I like this. Yeah, it's easy to understand, correct? Complete. Yeah, thank you, Gemini. And thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.